Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
What happened?
Let's just get this old kite off, and there!
Oh, who lives in a pineapple?
Now watch this. A little to the left, a little to the right.
Oh,
My ears burn!
Get back here, SpongeBob! Give me that pizza!
No! Where are they? Are you sure about this?
Trust me, it's all under control.
No!
SpongeBob!
No!
Wait.
No! No!
I want that pizza!
Other one. Look, I told you, little friend, I ain't paying for that.
Wow, this...